And welcome back, Southwest. We are about to finish off List 2 for Fry's third 100 sight words. I hope this means that you guys were practicing very hard on List 1 and the first part of List 2, and our instructions are going to remain the same. You're going to see the word, you're going to hear me say the word, and then I'm going to leave you 2 or 3 seconds to repeat the word. All right, are we ready? Let's begin. Example. Begin. Life. Always. Those. Both. Paper. Together. Got. Group. Often. Run. All right, this ends our practice on List 2. Go ahead and I would recommend going through this a few times and practicing it and seeing how well you can do. When you feel ready, I would go on to the next video where you get a chance to try it before you hear me say it. Good practicing.